Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm laughing at myself because I got this white dress on. This is the white dress that I wanted to wear. What was that, yesterday? No, day before yesterday. Sorry, day before yesterday. No, yesterday. Okay, I don't know. This was a dress that I wanted to wear, but I couldn't wear it because I realized how tight the turtleneck is and how close it is to my face that I had to put this on before applying my makeup. So I tried it on today out of curiosity. Let me see. Y'all, she's beautiful. I love how she looks. I was like, okay, we're gonna risk her and we're gonna put makeup on while I have this on. So I have my robe on. I'm trying to tuck like the back parts of it, but it's not. It keeps unraveling. I'm like, do not get dirty. But anywho, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Nisha for those who are new, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo, ooh. We're here day 11. Day 11 of the Valentine's Day Slay Get Ready With Me edition. So today I am going to be using the All That Colourpop palette. This came out I think 2 years ago for Valentine's. Yeah. So I felt kind of bad. Well, not kind of bad, but I wanted the new one that they had dropped this year. But by the time I was ready to order it, it was sold out already. So I just took it as that was God's sign saying I didn't need it, you know? And sometimes I need those signals because sometimes I just be like just ordering stuff like it's just nothing to do. And then also I didn't even realize I had this palette. I totally forgot about her. So I was very pleased. I was like, this looks kind of sort of similar to the newest Colourpop Valentine palette. So you guys got it. Good for you. I didn't get a chance, and that's okay because I'm going to get my Valentine vibe out of this palette. And also for those who are tuning in, or you guys just made it, whether you're new or not, I have been putting a little bit more dedication and love into my palettes because y'all know I got a lot of palettes, okay? And I'm not even trying to brag, like I have a problem. I really do, I have a problem. So what I've been trying to do is put it in more use with my palette. So if it's a small palette, I told myself I gotta do 2 looks using that palette. And if it's anything 12 eyeshadows or more, I have the option on doing more looks. Usually I'll do like a 1 week, 1 palette style of video, which I have done so far 2 palettes. I did it for Miss Jackie Yaina. And of course, Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe. So if you guys want to check any of those videos out, they're all dedicated to my Valentine looks. So I have a playlist down at the bottom. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, yeah. So this has for a 12. This is 12 eyeshadows. So I have the option of either doing 2 looks or do 1 week, 1 palette. And we're just gonna focus on 2 looks because the color story in here is not that much I can do to. I would get tired of using this for 5 days. I'm gonna be honest. I'm like, I couldn't probably get more looks, but I'm gonna be burnt for using this palette. So we're gonna just do 2 looks. So today and tomorrow I'll be back doing a look using this palette, and then we're gonna retire her for a year. You heard me. I'm putting my palettes on retirement after using them for a good year, 1 year only. Okay. And yeah. So look, I didn't do all this talking, y'all. This is unraveling. Ugh. Okay, maybe I need to take this no, because my sleeve's gonna be exposed. Help me. So like always, I'm going to start off with my brow bone highlight, and I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow, and this is called Buzzword by ULTA Beauty. Alright, so I'm just gonna pat that underneath. I like to set my brow bone first before I go in with the eyeshadows. Alright, I'm gonna be a little daring, shall I? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take Wink Wink, which is this shade right here. Take a little Wink Wink. I'm gonna pop that right in. Just like a really dusty style of red. I can kind of give off the imitation of being brown in a sense, like a red brick brown. Okay. I look so weird with this freaking dress on. Y'all know me, I have a thing for turtlenecks. I have a love-hate with them. I love how they look, but sometimes, depending on what kind I get, they look too suffocating. And this one is like really thick. So hopefully it looks right, because I'm gonna do all this work. I'm leaving this on because I have work today, so I'm leaving this on. I am risking going to work with wearing white. I'm very daring today. Alright, so I'm going to now buff out this shade with Cha-Cha. So she looks like. Put a little bit of Cha-Cha-Cha. Alright, I gotta add a lot more of Cha-Cha just to get her to show up. To help make the shade blend even better, I'm mixing Cha-Cha with Wink Wink. There's some weird names in here. I feel like a little kid talking about this palette. Cha-Cha and a Wink Wink and a Link Link and a Hee Hee. Like, what the heck? Is it just me, or most parents, y'all talk to your kids and y'all double up y'all words? Like, do you want to go night-night? Like, why can't we just say, you want to go to bed? Like, why do we have to say night-night? You want some juice? Let me know if y'all talk to y'all kids like that, or is it just me? I think it's more of a black culture, because my mom does the same thing too. So I'm like, why do we talk like that? Cha-Cha and Wink Wink. Cha-Cha, Wink Wink. That blended out very nice. Okay, Miss Cha-Cha and Wink Wink. Y'all did the thing. Okay. I love this brush because I feel like it blends perfectly when I put the eyeshadow a little bit too high. This gives like a small little area, so like boom, it gets to where I wanted to go without interfering my highlights, all the other good stuff. And by the way, this is the Morphe 514 brush. I think majority of all my brushes are from Morphe, like, yeah. All right, so I want to add a little bit of definition in my crease, just a little bit. Oh my gosh, if you don't get back up there, trying to show out. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this black shadow, and yes, it has a little bit of sparkles to it, but you can kind of finesse some of these sparkly eyeshadows, especially coming from Colourpop, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put that towards the outer. Just want to give the outer part a little bit more of some definition. So y'all see the difference? Now I could have went in with this really dark burgundy that's next to this black, but being that I'm coming back tomorrow, I don't want to use all of the deep shades in here because then it's gonna look the same, you know. So plus I also wanted to show like this black in here. You can use her even though she got little sparkles and stuff to her. I don't see those sparkles on the crease, so it's just like an illusion. They'll probably appear even more sparkly if I was to pat this on my actual lid. All right, I'm gonna go back in with Wink Wink right on top of the shade. So that way it won't look too harsh with the black. So this is with Wink Wink right on top of that black shadow. See the difference? I can't stop saying that. I'm so sorry, y'all. If I don't know what I was watching, but it was like a mom, and I guess a child was like talking to her. She's like, So now I cannot stop saying that. I don't know, was it a movie or was it TikTok? It was something. It was something I watched, and it stuck in my head. It's not even when someone's talking to me. I'm like, I'm not coming off as sarcastic. I'm sorry if I am, but it's just I can't shake it, you know. All right, so now I'm gonna pop some more shadow base on the lid. Oh my gosh, look at this. This thing it wants to test me today. It really want to test me today. I think I'm gonna go for some sparkles on the lid. Put a little bit of some more base. Look at that. Okay. Now for the sparkle. So there's only like a good 3 shades. I definitely want to try this tomorrow, so I'm gonna say that for tomorrow. So it's this one that's really pretty. This one, I believe, I'm sorry, this is a pressed glitter. This is a sparkly, and then there's another one, I think right here. Sorry, it's this one right here. I can't see it upside down. Okay, sparkle, sparkle, glitter, and sparkle. We're gonna say that one for tomorrow because it's definitely eyeing me. But I think I'm gonna go in with, let's try this one, because I feel like this one's gonna be too light. So we're gonna go with Fishnet, because I think the other shade is a little too light. Like I won't be able to see. Ooh, honey. Okay, Fishnet it's getting the job done. Do y'all see this? Wow. That looks absolutely beautiful. Y'all know the routine. I'm gonna take a brush now and get into places where my fingers couldn't reach. I definitely feel like my finger applied more of the pigment than this brush. Alright, now if needed, which is, I'm gonna go back in with Wink Wink, and I'm just gonna blend right here in the inner part. looks really nice. Let me wing this out and I'll be right back. All right, so now we're about to enter the scary part. Now you don't want, okay, hold on. I want to be real scary today. Okay, so I am now, I'm so scared to do this, my Lord. Okay, I had to say a silent prayer. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Wet n Wild. I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild. This is a very beautiful face moisturizer. Alright, now going in with my primer. There's a lot of primer left in here, y'all, but it won't come out because I left the top off. Oh my gosh, there's too much product in here just to call it quits on this. Managed to get a little bit of this out. I need to find the top and put this back on because I can't. There we go. Y'all, it was scary. I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do once this is gone, because I haven't found anything that was this sticky to where, oh my gosh, it feels so amazing on the skin. Y'all please tag Nyx and tell them to bring this back. Y'all need it, trust me. The MAC girl, y'all need this. Alright. Here's the scary part. We're gonna go for the Urban Decay. And I'm gonna mix the Halo Glow with my favorite foundation. I'm like, let's see how this works together. I didn't put it everywhere, as you guys can see, because I want to see if it really highlights just that certain area. So, oh my god. I'm laughing because my foundation has dried up already. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my, where's Riri? Riri, where are you? Riri, where are you? Alright, I'm now gonna be going in with my Fenty for the concealer, shade 410. I see my shirt trying to come up. Look at this. One thing I can say positive about this foundation, and that's why I chose to really wear it today, it's transfer proof, water resistant, so as long as I don't put no powder like right here, it's not gonna rub. I just don't want the separation of the colors to look weird. That's not what I just used. I still don't trust it all the way though. Alright, and I'm going to contour with my e.l.f. concealer. Alright, oh my god, my back is hurting, y'all. I fell asleep so wrong. Alright, it's giving la-di-dee, la-da-da. Beauty Bakerie for underneath the eyes. And then today I'm going to go in with my DEARMABLEND for the face. Like I said, I'm not going to put none like at the bottom right here. They need to make a transfer proof setting spray. I think I had one, like I bought one a long time ago. It was too much. That can was too much and it ran out very fast because I was spraying the heck out of my face. So like transfer proof. But it's called Hollywood, I think is the name of it. But if y'all can get some recommendation of a transfer proof setting spray, let me know. I think Revolution just came out with one of them. Not throwing shade, I'm just saying. Alright, we're gonna contour with Juvia today. I'm gonna go in with Beauty Bakerie. I have no clue where my orange one is at, so that's why I've been using this pink one a lot. So I think I misplaced my orange. Going in with Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. And I'm going in with Queen Bean. Alright, I'm now going to move on to the lips. Going in with my pencil, Juvia, and this is in the shade Coffee Bean. And then for my lipstick, this is called Let's Kiss. Yeah, look at the packaging. Like Glam, man, I think I might have to sign back up with it. I feel like I have enough lipsticks though. That's what I keep telling myself, but in my head, I'm like, no, I don't. Oh, that looks so good. I think I want to add some Fenty because it's been a minute. I'll go ahead with this shade right here, Miss Lemon. I think this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line and pop on some lashes, and this is gonna give the piece. I'll be right back. I don't like this. How's the earrings giving? It's giving very cheap vibes. So I wanted to wear these earrings, but I feel like the hair just like, you can't see it. Oh my god, these would have been so cute. And I wish they would have made them a little bit longer so that way they could have dangled, but it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to give these to my daughter. Alright, so we're gonna wear these instead today. I think these are really cute. They're little, but they're cute. And y'all, the perfume I got on is Miss Ariana Grande. This is her new one, the mod ones. So it's two of them. I think it's like a mod vanilla and then the mod whatever this one is. Y'all, this smells so freaking good. Tell y'all boo things, or you can treat yourself. Why y'all perfume? This is like really good. Like, gotta drop makeup. I'm like, what the? She smells really good. I feel like the big bottle smells, I feel like I can't smell it today. Anywho, that's enough with that. This is what the look is giving. You can't tell that this looks like red. Like when I look more into this look, it looks more of a neutral style of look, but not like I use a red palette for this. This is gonna get on my nerves all day. Hold on, let me stretch it out. Okay. Let me breathe. Okay. All right, so this is going to complete the look for Miss All That using the Colourpop palette. So really quick for the eyes, like I said, I just put in that black liner at the bottom, took that same red shade that's in the crease, popped that at the bottom, and then I did take this, it's called Uncuffed, which is this one right here. It's like a matte white shade in here, and I just popped that right in my inner tear duct. I know I needed an inner tear duct pop. Now that I look at it, I feel like I need some shimmer. You know what, we're gonna leave her, we're gonna leave her. I was like, I think I need shimmer, but no, she's matte. Let's leave the combo how it is. But yes, this is it. I like how this look came out. I was really scared and daring to use a red palette because I know I'm not a fan of red eyeshadow, but tomorrow, come back tomorrow, I'm gonna use these reds down here at the bottom, so it's gonna be like a real true like deep burgundy red look. So the question is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I don't know, but anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course I'll be back tomorrow with another V-Day look. Y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.